Good afternoon, children. In today's class, we are going to see how to draw the Venn diagrams. So, what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is nothing but diagrammatic representation of the sets. You can even represent the sets using the diagrams. So, that is what called as Venn diagrams. Generally, we use circles for sets and a rectangular shaped box for universal set. And if there are two sets, we used to put two circles, and if there are three sets, we used to put three circles. Clear? So even we can draw the diagrams for, that is, we can prove all the distributive property, commutative property, and even the associative property. Then even the laws, we can prove the laws, De Morgan's laws for set difference and De Morgan's law for complementation using this Venn diagram. Let's see one by one. First we will see the commutative property, how to prove the commutative property using the Venn diagram. So what is commutative property? There are two properties, that is A union B is equal to B union A. This is one property. Then the second property is A intersection B equals B intersection A. So this is second property. So both comes under commutative property. We are going to prove these two properties using the Venn diagram. Let's see how. Let me take one by one. Take this first property, A union B equals B union A. So what is the LHS given here? A union B. Since you have got two sets, you can put two circles for representing the sets. No need to put the box since there is no universal set. Put two boxes. So this is LHS, and what is RHS? RHS is B union A. You can even put the same two circles here also. One circle should be A, another circle should be B. So what is given here? A union B. What do you mean by A union B? You have to take the parts which is present in A and you have to take the parts which is present in B. That is, both A and B should be shaded. A, B ரெண்டுத்தையுமே shade பண்ணனும். A விட்டு B யோ B விட்டு A யோ shade பண்ண கூடாது. So you are going to shade both A and B. So this is A union B, diagrammatic representation of A union B. And what is B union A? It's very same. You are going to shade B as well as A. Completely you have to shade B and A. A and B completely shade பண்ணிடுங்க. This is what we call it as B union A. Once again we have shaded everything. So you can take this one as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2. That is diagram number 1 and diagram number 2. So you can see from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, LHS equals RHS. Therefore, A union B equals B union A. So this is nothing but commutative property of union of sets. It's verified. So you can say it's verified. Then take the second one. The second one is A intersection B equals B intersection A. You are going to prove this one, the second law. Take LHS. What is given in the LHS? LHS is A intersection B. So once again you can put two circles for representing the set, one for A and one for B. Here intersection is given. What does this intersection stand for? Intersection stands for common. That is, you have to shade the area which is common between A and B. A க்கும் B க்கும் காமனா இருக்கக்கூடிய ஏரியாவை மட்டும் தான் ஷேட் பண்ணனும், வேற எதையும் ஷேட் பண்ண கூடாது. சோ எதை ஷேட் பண்ணுவீங்க? You will be shading this area, isn't it or not? So this is LHS. We can take this as diagram number 1 and take the RHS. RHS is B intersection A. Once again draw two circles. One should represent A and another one should represent B. B intersection A. Common area between A and B. Once again you can shade this two. Take this as equation number 2. Now compare these diagrams 1 and 2. Whether they are same or not. Yes, they are same. Therefore from 1 and 2 it's very similar. From 1 and 2 LHS equals RHS. Therefore A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Therefore, commutative property of intersection of sets is verified. So we have completed verifying the commutative property using the Venn diagram. The next, we will take associative property. We will see how to use the Venn diagram to verify the associative property. So what is associative property? The first property is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C, and the second property is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So these are the two properties here. The one should be A union B union C equal to A union B union C. The second property is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay, let's draw the diagram for this. First, take the first question. A union B union C equal to A union B union C. So take this LHS. What is given in the LHS? A union B union C. Now this B union C is given inside the bracket. So first you can take this B union C. After finding out this B union C, you can find out A union B union C. So what is B union C? Since three sets are given here, A, B and C, you can draw three circles. One should be A, the another one should be B, the another one should be C. A, B and C. So what is B union C? You have to shade the part of B and the part of C. You have to shade both the sets. Set B and set C. Draw like this. So it's very clear. You have drawn B and C. So this is B union C. And what is the next thing you need to draw? The next one is A union B union C. A union B union C. Once again you can draw these three circles. One represents A, another one represents B, another one represents C. Now A union B union C. Where is B union C? B union C is here. This diagram represents B union C. அப்போ இந்த டயகிராம் கூட சேர்த்து, ஏனா சேர்த்து சொல்றேன்னா யூனியன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ இங்க என்ன ஷேட் ஆயிருக்கோ அது கூட சேர்த்து A வையும் ஷேட் பண்ணனும். சோ ஆல்ரெடி BC கம்ப்ளீட்டா ஷேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ A வையும் ஷேட் பண்ணிட்டீனா டோட்டலா A B C மூணுமே ஷேட் ஆயிடும். Like this. Gets completely shaded. All the three circles A, B and C gets completely shaded. So you should take this diagram as first diagram, right? So this represents the LHS. LHS nude final output idudha. Now go for the RHS. What is given in the RHS? RHS is A union B union C. இங்க எப்படி நம்ம B union C first போட்டோமோ அந்த மாதிரி இங்க A union B first போடணும். First put A union B. As usual, you need to draw three circles. 1, 2 and 3. Write this as A, B and C. A union B. A வையும் B யும் ஃபுல்லா ஷேட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்றது அர்த்தம். You are going to completely draw. You are going to completely shade A and B. So this is the first part. The next one is A union B union C. A union B union C. So once again you can put three circles. The one circle represents A, the another one represents B, the another one represents C. So இந்த இடத்துல பாருங்க, இந்த ரெண்டு சர்க்கிள் கூட சேர்த்து C என்ற சர்க்கிளை நாம என்ன செய்யணும்? You have to shade. ஏன் இது A union B, இது கூட சேர்த்து you have to draw this C also. That's all. Take this one as diagram number 2. Now compare 1 and 2. Are they equal or not? Yes, diagram 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore 1 equal to 2, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore A union B union C equal to A union B union C. Clear? So this is how we prove the associative property of union of sets using the Venn diagram. The next one is we need to prove the associative property for intersection of sets. Take the next one. A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Take this LHS first. What is given in the LHS? A intersection B intersection C. So among this you need to take this B intersection C first. Since you have got 3 sets, you need to draw 3 diagrams. One should be A, another one should be B, another one should be C. So it's given as B intersection C. What do you mean by B intersection C? Common area between B and C. Intersection nale enna artham? Common, பொதுவான அப்படினு அர்த்தம். So B க்கும் C க்கும் காமனான ஏரியாவை நம்ம ஷேட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அதுக்கு அடுத்து என்ன செய்யணும்? Draw the second diagram. A intersection B intersection C. Once again draw these 3 circles. One should represent A, another one is B, another one is C. So now this represents what? B intersection C. இந்த diagram தான் B intersection C represent பண்ணுது. இது கூட சேர்த்து இதுக்கும் A க்கும் காமனா எந்த ஏரியா ஷேட் ஆயிருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. See, it's very clear. Already நமக்கு இங்க என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்குன்னா B intersection C. B க்கும் C க்கும் காமனான பார்ட் இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட். This is first part, this is second part. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட்ல A க்கு காமனா எந்த பார்ட் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பார்ட் 1. அந்த 1 அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடிய பார்ட் மட்டும் காமனா இருக்கு. அதாவது இந்த பார்ட். கரெக்ட்டா பாருங்க. So இந்த பார்ட் தான் B intersection C னா இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட் வரும். அதுக்கும் A க்கும் காமன்னா இந்த ஒரு பார்ட் மட்டும் வரும். So this represents A intersection B intersection C. Take this as diagram number 1. Go for the next diagram. What is the second diagram? A intersection B RHS A intersection B intersection C. So once again draw 3 circles. Take one as A, another one as B, another one as C. A intersection B. Common area between A and B. இது வருமா பாருங்க. A க்கும் B க்கும் பொதுவான இடம். இந்த பார்ட் வரும், இந்த பார்ட் வரும். வரைஞ்சி காமிச்சா உங்களுக்கு புரியும். This is 1 and this is 2. Isn't it? So இந்த A intersection B க்கும் C க்கும் பொதுவானது. இதுக்கும் இந்த C ங்கற சர்க்கிளுக்கும் பொதுவான பார்ட் இந்த 1 ன்னு போட்டுறோம் பாத்தீங்களா, அந்த ஒரு பார்ட் மட்டும் தான். So you need to draw that one. A intersection B intersection C. Once again represent the sets using the circles. One should be A, another one should be B, another one should be C. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 2 இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கு C ல எது பொதுவா இருக்குன்னா 1 அப்படிங்கற அந்த பார்ட் மட்டும் பொதுவா இருக்கு. You can draw that part. Take this as diagram number 2. Now check out this diagram number 1 and 2. Equal இருக்கா இல்லையா? அதனால from 1 and 2 once again you can write the conclusion. From 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS. Therefore A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Hence we verify the associative property of intersection of sets using the Venn diagram. Right? The next one. We have completed commutative, we have completed associative. The next one is distributive property. So what is distributive property? Distributive property. The first one, it's A union B intersection C equals A union B intersection A union C. The next one is A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Isn't it or not? So A union A intersection B union C. Second one. In your book it's given as first one. A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. And the next one is A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. So what is this actually? This is intersection. This is intersection over union, isn't it or not? This is intersection over union, and this one is union over intersection. So now we are going to verify these laws using the Venn diagram. Let's see one by one. Take the first one. A union B intersection C equals A union B intersection A union C. So take this LHS first. What is given in the LHS? A union B intersection C. So you can draw three circles. One should represent A, another one should be B, another one should be C. So among these things, you are first going to draw B intersection C. What is B intersection C? Common area between B and C. B kum C kum common area. This is B intersection C. And what does the second diagram define? A union B intersection C. Here this is the overall LHS. That first B union C find out. Now A union B intersection C find out. Once again draw three diagrams. One should be A, another one should be B, another one should be C. Right? Now you are going to, what are you going to do? B intersection C A union பண்ணுங்க அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. B intersection C ன்ற டயகிராம் இங்க இருக்கு. இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட். இது கூட சேர்த்து A வை ஷேட் பண்ணனும். அதாவது யூனியன் கொடுத்திருக்கோம். சப்போஸ் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் கொடுத்தா காமன் ஏரியா எடுத்துப்போம். பட் யூனியன் கொடுத்திருக்கனால இதையும் ஷேட் பண்ணனும், இதையும் ஷேட் பண்ணனும். சோ இத ஷேட் பண்ணனும்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் B intersection C யை ஷேட் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்லி சொன்னா நாம எதை ஷேட் பண்ணுவோம்? We will be shading this part. இது கூட சேர்த்து A வை ஷேட் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொன்னா என்ன செய்வோம்? We will be shading A. So this is the diagram for A union B intersection C. Take this as diagram number 1. Then go for the RHS. What is given in the RHS? A union B intersection A union C. First you need to take what? A union B. Circles, that is brackets kulla irukradha solve பண்ணுங்க. Take this as A, this as B, and this one as C. A union B. What do you mean by A union B? You have to draw both A as well as B. ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஷேட் பண்ணுங்க அர்த்தம். Shade both A and B like this completely. The next one is A union C. So what is A union C? Once again draw these three circles. One should be A, one should be B, another one should be C. A union C. A union C na you have to completely shade this A and C. The last one is A union B intersection A union C. A, B, C. So what does this intersection stands for? This is A union B and this is A union C. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு டயகிராமுக்கு இன்டர்செக்ஷன் இல்ல commonly shaded areas எது அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு பார்த்தா நம்ம ஷேட் பண்ணனும். ஏனா இன்டர்செக்ஷன் அப்படினா it defines the common area. ஓகே, ரெண்டுத்துலயும் A சர்க்கிள் ஃபுல்லா ஷேட் ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க. In both the diagrams A circle is completely shaded. So A circle full நான் ஷேட் பண்ணிட்டேன். அதே மாதிரி இந்த ரெண்டு டயகிராம்லயும் இந்த பார்ட் பாருங்க, ரெண்டுத்துலயுமே ஷேட் ஆயிருக்கு. அப்ப நான் அந்த பார்ட்டையும் ஷேட் பண்ணிக்கணும். So this is diagram number 2. Now compare this 1 and 2. They are equal. So once again you can write what? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Hence we verified the distributive property of union over intersection using the Venn diagram. Then the last one, A intersection B union C equals A intersection B union A intersection C. So now take this LHS. What is given in the LHS? A intersection B union C. So draw three circles to represent the sets. One should be A, one should be B, one should be C. B union C. What do you mean by B union C? you need to shade B and C completely. Complete B and C நீ shade பண்ணிடணும். அடுத்தது A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? This should be A, this should be B, this should be C. So இதுக்கும் A க்கும் காமனா எந்த பார்ட் ஷேட் ஆயிருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். அதுதான் அர்த்தம். இன்டர்செக்ஷன் தான் காமன் பார்ட். எதுக்கு காமன் பார்ட்? A க்கும் B union C க்கும் காமன் பார்ட். பாருங்க இது A சர்க்கிள், இதுக்கும் B union C க்கும் காமனா இந்த மூணு பார்ட் மட்டும் ஷேட் ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க. 1 2 3. சோ இந்த மூணு பார்ட் மட்டும் ஷேட் பண்ணுங்க. These three parts alone should be shaded. Take this as 1 and the next one. What is the next diagram? RHS. What is given as the RHS? A intersection B union A intersection C. Now take this A intersection B first. Draw three circles. One represents A, one represents B, and one represents C. A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Common area between A and B. A க்கும் B க்கும் பொதுவா இருக்கக்கூடிய ஏரியா இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட் தான். அதே மாதிரி A intersection C எடுத்துக்கோங்க. One circle, two circle, three circle. One represents A, one represents B, one represents C. A intersection C. What is A intersection C? Common area between A and C. A க்கும் C க்கும் common ஆன ஏரியா இந்த பார்ட் வரும். இதுக்கு அடுத்து எதுப்பா வரும்? A intersection B union A intersection C. Final diagram. Once again, draw three circles A, B, C. So இப்போ என்ன செய்ய சொல்லிருக்கான்? இந்த ரெண்டு டயகிராமுக்கு யூனியன் போட சொல்றான். யூனியன்ல என்ன? கம்பைன் பண்ணணும். இந்த ரெண்டு டயகிராமையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி நீங்க இதல வரையணும். அப்போ இந்த டயகிராம் வரும்போது இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட் ஷேட் ஆயிடும். இந்த டயகிராம் வரும்போது இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட் ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் ஆல்ரெடி அதுல ஒரு பார்ட் ஷேட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அப்ப பாருங்க these two diagrams are same. Take this one as 2 1 2. Once again you can write from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So this is distributive property of intersection over union. We have verified this using the Venn diagram. So in today's class we have discussed and we have seen how to verify the commutative, distributive and associative properties using the Venn diagram. And in our next class we will discuss about the De Morgan's law. Okay, in our previous classes we have seen what is De Morgan's law and we have solved the sums also related with that. And in the next class we are going to just solve the De Morgan's, that is verify the De Morgan's law using the Venn diagram. Right?